Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this knot. So at first I'm going here for taking the new file. MMGS is selected, front plane is taken, go to the extruder boss, click the polygon and it will be hexagon, so it will be 6. Okay, done. Then sketch it. Okay, that thickness will be 40 millimeters. Then extruder cut is selected, click here, go to here and select normal plane, put the circle, draw it, it will be 50 millimeters. Okay, and roll is selected. Okay, done. Front plane is taken, go to here for taking normal plane, to the sketch, circle is taken, draw a circle which should be also 50. Okay, and go to the feature, select the curve, helix and spiral is taken, 60 millimeter height, 4 pitch and 0 degree start angle clockwise, height and pitch. Okay, done. Then top is taken and go to the sketch and go to here, select the polygon, it will be 3. Okay, done. Then draw it. Okay, then exit it, go to the features, select the sweep cut, one click is here, another click on this path. Okay, the thread is complete. Then I am going to the extruded cut, click here, go to here and select normal plane, go to the circle, draw it from up to this. Okay, then it will be 10 millimeters and it will be 4 and clip is selected and the angle will be 45. Okay, done. In similar way in this case also, extrude cut is selected and click here, then go to here, select the normal plane, go to the circle and draw it up to this also, exit it, then it will be clip selected for 45 degree. Okay, then I am going to select the materials and I am taking the steel, polish steel is taken, select this color. Okay, I think you are watching. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. I think you are also enjoyed it.